Yun, guys. I'm back. We're 5 minutes at the update. Mamaya ka nga, nagre-record ako, nag-i-intro ako. Mamaya nag-i-intro ako. Ayun guys, 5 minutes na lang bago mag-update. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung buraot kong kapatid yan. Pagpasensyahan nyo na to. Mukha lang engek yan. Pero mas maganda, 5 minutes na lang tayo sa update. Nag-OP stock siya kanina kasi parang hindi OP. Kasi in-stock niya coconut, cactus, grape, cacao, emberlin. Anong mid yan? Lower stock to. Lower stock. Ano? Small stock to. Raptor ba naman kasi ng Raptor? Hindi na lang. Tingnan mo, beggar talaga to guys. Huwag nyo itong bibigyan pag nakita nyo to ha. Huwag nyo bibigyan yan guys ha. Ito mo, kinuha nyo ng Triceratops. We could do it. Good. What if no, Jandel? We're not gonna beat our record. We're beating the record of the we're not gonna beat just our record, bro. We can set a new record. Not the 20M record, but ay, ano ba record natin? Yan. 3 minutes na lang. Ano na. Siyempre, favorite tool. Stock naman always yan eh. Favorite tool. Ha? Ay, bumalik. Kanila pa naman nandyan yan. Ulol. Di wow. Tingnan nyo guys oh. Nagpalaki ng Monmelo no. Tapos wala man lang buffs. Hindi niya nilalagyan ng lightning rod. Nilalagyan ng mga ganun guys. Mga star color. What? Blueberry and the orange tulip bro. What are you? Bro. I was born ready bro. 1 minute till the update. 1 minute. I mean 2 minutes, bro. That was a mid, bro. Yes! 25M. Yeah. I guess you could say that is a pretty OP, bro. Not as OP. It would be much more OP, overpowered when you do this burning bud, bro. Bro, stack the burning bud. Stack this burning bud. Aha! Mamaya na kayo. Stack the burning bud. Yes! Burning bud was stuck in the seed shop. Yeah. Bro, we're gonna do the countdown, bro. We're gonna do the countdown. Mamaya na kayo. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Is the update. The giant pine cone seed. Yeah. Hope you enjoy the add-ons in the movie event. The pet mutation. What is this pet mutation, bro? Yeah. Deadly is stuck, bro. Bro, stuck the master once again, bro. Uy, level up lollipop. Level up lollipop. Sa ano, gear shop. Ha? Yeah. We're gonna wait for the Obi. Ito na guys, Obi na to. Obi na to. Obi na to, Obi na to. Sabi sa inyo, Obi na to eh. Obi na yan oh. Yeah. 21.5. We are 100k short of our record. We can beat that record, Yandel. We can. Trust the process. Just trust the process, Yandel. Trust it. Believe we can finish. And I don't believe I can finish this Obi either, bro. Bro. The speed is making it much more worse, bro. This. Bro, I forgot. Left muna, boy! Left muna. Yeah. And this one. And this one. Yes! Anong primal egg? Saan mo nakita? Yeah. Awen. Is this a primal egg, bro? What primal egg? Rainbow Eagle Rib. Bro, where can I get this? Bro, I got disconnected.